I welcome you all to this tutorial video. This is Rebecca Fembo. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to download and install fonts. So the fonts on Pixellab, these ones, they come with the application, but the others, you're supposed to download them. So we're going to learn two ways how to download and install. One, just downloading direct from Google, and the second one just from a link created by anyone, which comprises of a lot of fonts so that you'll be able to install. And also we'll learn how to identify fonts. Let's say you're doing a design challenge or someone has recommended the fonts you're supposed to use. Okay, so everything will be explained further in the video. So for now, let's get started with downloading fonts from Google. Okay, so you open your browser and then you go to the website called DaFont.com. So you click on it, then you'll be able to wait whilst it loads. So these are the fonts that appears, or if you have anything in mind, then you'll be able to start downloading. So let's search there. We'll say Cinzel font, just a search. Okay, so you can see that font has come, and what you're supposed to do is you just go on download. Okay, you download like that. Then you can also search for any other font. So there are quite a good number of them. So let's search for others. Okay, let me just go on M. So it will help us with some fonts which they have. So you can check through the website. It has quite a good number of fonts. Then we may continue like that. So let's write in style. We'll see if it can give us some style fonts. Okay, so these ones. So we can get this second one, just clicking download like that. And then the other one, which is saying B style, download, as well as new style, we download like that. So once you've downloaded this, the other thing you're supposed to do is you go to your files. This is method 1. Okay, so do go take note of that. This is method 1. Let me just go on downloads. I'm just going to click on it so that I'll be able to compress it. So the new style, it's a zip. Then I just extract it. I wait. So what we are doing here, we are extracting. So you just wait, just be patient. Okay, done. Then we go to the other one, which is saying B style. I extract. So we just click on extract and then you start waiting like that. So this is method 1. So after extracting them, you can see they have even loaded on top there. Now we've extracted them, so meaning we can now use them. So after this, we are going to Pixellab, and I have to show you how you're supposed to import them now. We've downloaded, now you're supposed to install them or to import them. So we are waiting. Okay, so just be patient, just a network. So once it finishes loading, then we just go to Pixellab and then be able to install. Then after that, then we'll do the second method. Okay, as it is finishing, so let's just go to Pixellab. For instance, okay, like this is one of the designs I was working on. So let me go where it says fonts. I go on font like this. Now my fonts. Now the first plus icon on my left is where I want to press. So I will press there. Then I will go to my downloads. From there, then I have to look for what I'm from downloading. We've downloaded the Squirrel and the B style. So I click on B style. I select them all like this. I say add selected. So then I say, okay, so on the fonts, the B style, they're supposed to appear now. So let's do the other method. The B style fonts, they're here, they're down here. So we are from adding them, they're here, meaning they are ready to be used. So if I change the name Holy there to this other B style, it's supposed to change just by clicking on B style like that. So I'm sure you can check from the top there, meaning we've installed. Then the other way, after we've compressed them, how you're supposed to install them, click my fonts. The other plus icon now on the right, it's the one we are using. So we click on it like that. Then we go not to downloads. Let's install the other one which we are from doing. So for this one, let's say the Squirrel one, like this. For this other one, there's no need of selecting. You just say add directory, they'll come. You've seen it, they have even changed. All the Squirrel fonts have come. So this is how you can install fonts, download from Google, compress them, and install. If you do not want to compress them using your phone, you're supposed to go to Play Store. So when you go to Play Store, you're supposed to search for Z Archiver, like this. You search for it, then you download. So I prefer using this one here, like that. Once you open it, then you'll be able to compress. So I'll show you how to compress using the archiver for the following fonts for the other fonts that we are going to download. So I said there are two methods. One, you download direct from Google and then you compress and install them. The second method, you are going to download from a link. Let's say someone provided the link, like I will do. So the link I'm talking about is this one, which is saying fonts here. So I'll click on it so that to be able to download the fonts. Okay, I'll click on it, then we wait. We're downloading the fonts, and then I'll show you how to. So these are the fonts. You can either download one by one, but I want to get this compressed one, which are 1000 plus fonts. So I'll wait like that. So after here, just be patient and wait for it to complete downloading. Alright, so once it's done downloading, then you either just click direct the Z archiver, or you say Z archiver extract to. So let's just open it, then we'll see how we're supposed to do it. So like this, what you're supposed to do, just click on it like that. Then these are the fonts that you've installed. Then there's this icon here. It's the one you're supposed to click. Then you do this. Then you can go in the same folder again and just extract. So you are extracting, as you can see, we're extracting everything there. So these ones here. So once it's done, so say okay. Then from here, what you're supposed to do next is we have to go back to Pixellab. For these ones, we're not going to add them one by one. We are going to just add directory as a whole, because we can't finish adding 1000 fonts plus just one by one. So we're going to select the one on the right like that. So we click on it, and then we have to locate the folder which is saying 1000 fonts, which is here. I open it. I'm not supposed to click one by one. I'll just say add directory like that, and then wait. So here they are. The fonts have come. They are now a lot. At first we didn't have fonts, we just had few. Now we've installed the over 1000 fonts together with those other ones. Then after we are done, we are good to go. So this is how one will be able to download and install fonts using two methods that we've covered. One which is downloading from Google and installing, you just compress and then you install uh, in your Pixellab. And the second one, which is downloading from a link which will be provided, and then you use the Archiver to compress and then you install in your Pixellab. And take note of these two here. The one I've labeled one, and then this one too. The one is for installing one by one, then two is installing everything at a go. So this is how one will be able to download and install fonts. So in my preamble, I mentioned to say, how will you now know that you're supposed to use this font or this? Let's say you're doing a design challenge. So we'll go to Play Store and download the app called What the Font. So just search What the Font app, then you'll be able to download. So we are going to install this app, taking note of the icon folder, icon, yes, of the icon for the app, just that one. Then once you install, and then you'll be able to open and start using. Okay, so let's wait for it to load and open. This will help you where one has demanded for a certain font which was once used. Now they would want you to use the exact font, or in cases whereby you've been asked to replicate exactly the way it was. So let's see. Okay, it's starting. So those who want to use premium features, you can either sign up or not, just like that. So let's quickly open the app. So once the app opens, then there's this symbol here on your left. That's why you are supposed to click on that icon for the images, meaning you want to upload an image that you would want them to check for you what font was used. So let me use this same one here, the one I just designed. Want to see what font was used. So you just drag on that, and then you go on where it says identify font. Just down on your right hand side, you click identify fonts. And mind you, it may not necessarily bring exactly the font that was used. It might either be direct or just something similar to what was used. So you can see, then you'll be comparing now the way the name Sunday was written there in that font, so you can check for any similar one. You can either click on these arrows, which will take you direct to the website which they uploaded the font. Then you download and then do what we are from practicing. Thank you for following, and remember to keep practicing.